Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
Today I'm going to show you a way to trade with the Bollinger Bands even better than you're trading right now. Hi, this is David Modell, Looking at the Markets. You can improve your Bollinger Bands trading with some simple adjustments to your strategy. Check it out. I am looking at the 1 minute candlestick chart. Each candle represents 1 minute of price action. And of course I have the Bollinger Bands up there. Now these Bollinger Bands are on the standard settings. You don't have to change anything if you don't want to. I'm using the 20 period simple moving average, that's the midline, and the upper band and the lower band, those are two standard deviations above and below. Again, standard settings, no change is necessary. So what a lot of people do is they will wait for a candle to close above the upper Bollinger Band and they'll think, oh, that's bullish. Well, that may be true, okay? The next few candles may go up or they may not. You want to be consistent with it. You got to think beyond just waiting for the candle to close above the upper band. Same with what if it closes below the lower band? You might think that's bearish. You might think the next candles are going to go down. Well, they might or they might not. So you want to think a little bit differently and add some things to your strategy, such as the volume bars, and you want to look for the Bollinger Band squeeze. That means the three lines are really close together, and so you get tight price action, and that means that you might get a breakout or breakdown really soon. I'm going to explain more of that in a moment, but I also want to tell you about the platform that I'm using. You might be wondering about it. It is margex.com. Link is in the description below this video, margex.com. You can type it in your browser or just click on that link that I'll put up for you on this video. So what is Margex? It is a reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage. Wow. Designed by traders for traders. If you go to the website, you could just sign up and start trading. And you might want to look for a bonus. If there's a bonus available up there, you definitely want to get that, all right? You can also look at the referral program, live demo, all that good stuff. But what I want to show you most of all is, and of course it's private, you got privacy, secure trading, transparent. I'm not going to send you somewhere that's not safe, okay? But my favorite part of this is how much power you can get in your trading by using leverage. Look at that. Look at how it magnifies or could magnify the profits if you use leverage responsibly. Always, 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 okay? You want to be safe in your trading at all times. Respect your stop loss. Have an exit strategy. Make sure you're not going to lose too much, okay? But if you can handle the responsibility of it, then you can try out the leverage. Let's see what that looks like today. I'm going to go ahead and enter an order to show you with real money, by the way, okay, real Bitcoin. And how much do I want to put in? Well, you can type in the number or you can use the slider. I like the slider. I like being able to just slide it in to decide how much I want to spend on the trade, okay? And then how much leverage do I want? You can go up to 100x. Look at that. Now I'm going to take it easy, okay? I'm going to go easy on it. 5x leverage. I don't want to go too crazy, okay? Do I want to buy or do I want to sell? And you could do this with the indicators up there, all that good stuff, all the candles right up there on the screen. Well, I don't want to sell Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin. I want to buy it. So I'm going to click on buy, and I can buy it right now. And now that order size, you know what, that may be a little too much. So I'm going to go even smaller on it. There we go. Let's try it out now. Much better, okay? And buy, and there you go. Boom, there it is. Market order placed instantly. Didn't take any time. By the way, it's not just market orders. They also have limit orders if you want to set your price. Stop market orders if you want to be really specific about your orders, or just do the market order if you want to get filled very quickly in the market. All right, so that is margex.com, margex.com. Go ahead, type it in your browser if you want to check it out. And also, you can click on the link in the description below this video. Click on the Start Trading button. I think you're really going to like this one. You're going to like the leverage. Start trading with as little as $10. Designed by traders for traders and look for a bonus. See if it's there. You're going to want to click the Get Now to get it if it's there, margex.com. You're going to like this one. You're also going to like the strategy, by the way. Okay, so let's pan out a little bit and talk about the Bollinger Bands here. So when you get the Bollinger Bands close together, all three lines are next to each other, not far apart, right? That is the squeeze. They're squeezing together. And that means that volatility has contracted. It's less volatile. The candles are moving around less, going sideways. When the Bollinger Bands squeeze tightly, that tells me that probably, no guarantees, but probably soon, you're going to get a big move one way or the other. Now, how do you know which way? Well, what you want to look, you can't know for sure, but what you want to look for with the squeeze is a close above or below. Obviously, this one closed above, as you can see. Okay, and look for a ramp up in the volume. Look at the volume bars. Oh my goodness. Went from lower volume to much higher volume. That is confidence. And if you want to trade it, that is a huge sign. I'm confident that that would be bullish, and look what happened afterwards. Boom, right? Look at the size of that candle afterwards, okay? So you can trade with more confidence that way when you have all three things happening. You got the squeeze, you got the volume bar, and closing above the upper band. Now, what about a break down? Because remember, you could buy, but you can also sell as well. Some people like to bet against something, or they think something's going to go down. Well, look at that squeeze right there. The price action is going sideways for a long time. Bollinger Bands, all three, really close together. Let me pan in a little bit. There we go. Let me zoom. And you're waiting to see whether it's going to close above or below. Close below. Look at that, solidly red and below the lower band. But I'm also looking at the third thing, which is, hey, look at that rising volume bars there, and red, rising red volume bars. And that gives me confidence that it might go down, okay? So what happened afterwards? Down, down, down. It doesn't always happen like that. No guarantees. It's not going to work 100% of the time. But when you check for all three things, it can be very powerful. Again, what are the three things? You're looking for the squeeze. You're looking for, is it closing above or below? There's a great example there, okay? The squeeze, closing above or below, above, okay? And then look for the volume bars rising in a big way. When you get all three, that could be powerful. That can make you feel really good about that trade. But again, respect your stop loss, have an exit strategy. You know, when you use leverage, you want to be responsible at all times, but it can be very powerful for your trading. And check out margex.com. Click on that link. I think you're going to like it. I'm going to keep on bringing you these strategies and ideas in the markets to help you improve your trading today. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.